Alright guys, let's go check this building out right here. This is what's left right here, guys. This building here. Today I decided to go on an adventure, right? And guess what? I am going to do it on my e-bike. I never explored on my e-bike, but guess what? I'm going to do it today. Now, people, guess what? If this is your first time tuning in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with all the vlogs that I post. Now let's go explore some abandoned places and adventures on my e-bike. Alright guys, let's go check this building out right here. Now I came here one time and I got a good glimpse on the inside, but I didn't go in. But I was able to get my camera in the inside of here. But let's see, can we see some things right now today? Y'all check this out. Got it boarded up pretty good right here, guys. But this was, I think, a golf course at one time. Right now it's just an abandoned piece of property that sits right here. Even check out this building here, guys. Alright guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk back towards the building, and I'm gonna give you guys a glimpse on the inside of this building. We're not gonna crawl through no window or anything to get in, but I'm just going to show you guys this place here. It used to be popular at one point here, but now it's not. It's just an abandoned piece of property. What is just sitting here until one of you guys decide you want to buy it. Guys, right now I'm about to jump back on my TST bike and get to rolling, and we're going to go check out some more abandoned places. A while ago, guys, a friend of mine built this house right here, and I remember when they first built the house, it was very nice on the inside. It was a very big house. It used to be a church out here, guys. I guess the church is gone. This is what's left right here, guys. This building here. Go in peace, knowing God loves and forgives you. There's some toilet tissue here, guys. A bunch of stuff just left behind, just sitting here. Alright guys, this right here used to be an old hotel and a senior living facility before it closed down. Now I have did a vlog on this place. I will leave it in the description below. We are not going to go check this place out. Like I said, I've been here before. I did a vlog here. I will leave it in the description for you guys can go see. I'm gonna take you guys over to this movie theater. In this plaza, it used to be a daycare and a movie theater and a restaurant, and it's all abandoned. Now, we can't get in because they do have security that lives on the property. I don't know why, but they live in a van over there, so we don't even want the drama. We're just gonna drive through. I'm gonna show you guys it. I'm gonna film it, and we're gonna keep it moving. Like this whole plaza is abandoned. The only thing in this plaza is that Carrabba's. Everything else sits abandoned. It's like whoever owns this property don't care. I was gonna get a shop in this plaza years ago, and I spoke to the owner, and it's like they really don't care if they rent this spot or not. This is like a tax write-off for them, and that's crazy. Tired of gas prices, traffic, or paying too much money just to get around? Meet the TST Carrier 20, a heavy-duty cargo e-bike built to haul more, ride farther, and save you money. This bike is 150 kg load capacity, 500 motor, crush hills and heavy loads, up to 800 km range, go the distance, all-terrain fat tires, hydraulic suspension, smart LCD display, pedal assist, dual hydraulic disc brakes for safe stops. Whether you're running errands, delivering packages, or hauling the family, this e-bike does it all. Built tough with high carbon steel frame, the Carrier 20 is ready for the streets, trails, and anywhere life takes you. For delivery drivers, small business owners, or busy parents, this is your new go-to ride. And guess what? Right now, it's just $1,299, down from $1,499. plus an extra $100 off with code TIMJ at checkout. The shipping is free worldwide, 30-day return policy, warranty, 1 year frame, 2 years battery. Now let me tell you from experience, this bike comes with all the tools you need to put it together. It took me about 2 hours to assemble, and once it hit the road, I was impressed. It rides fast, the brakes are solid, and the build quality is top notch. This isn't cheap knockoff. It's high quality bike, and I truly like it. So guys, stop wasting time and money. Upgrade your ride, your business, and your lifestyle with the TST Carrier 20. Ride smarter, haul harder, save bigger. Visit tstbike.com/TimJ and use code TimJ to unlock your discount today. I will leave all the information in the description below. Go buy this bike. Trust me, you will be thanking me later. Alright guys, I rode my TST E-Bike far. I went into Palm Bay, Florida on this e-bike, and I went all the way to Jupiter, Eldron, San Filippo, and back on that bike. And guys, it was full with the charge, and I'm gonna show you guys where it's at right now on the charge. And that's awesome. I probably rode around, to be honest with you guys, 20 something miles on that bike today, and it's still almost halfway charged. Now that is good for that TST e-bike. Now it's a good bike. I'll leave in the description so you guys can go get you one. Also remember, if you use my code, you get an additional $100 off if you buy this bike. And I enjoyed it. I had fun today. I was able to see some abandoned places, some different neighborhoods, some different homes, things I didn't see, that I don't see from the road, that I can see from the light. Now, if this is your first time tuning in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can keep up with all the vlogs that I post. Now, to next vlogs, you guys, I'll catch you later.